ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಬ್ಲೇಜರ್ ಸಮುದಾಯವು 3.9 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಏರಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಾವೀನ್ಯತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಶದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವವನ್ನು ಬಲಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಡಿಎಕ್ಸ್ನ 2ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮರಳಿ ತಂದಿದೆ. ಟಿಡಿಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಹೆಡ್, ಮಿನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟಿಡಿಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಕಥಾನ್ನಂತಹ ತಲ್ಲೀನಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಅನುಭವಗಳಿವೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮೇ 2, 2025 ವಿಶ್ವದ ಒಂದು CRM ಆಗಿರುವ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ರೂಪಾಂತರವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಗಳು, ನಿರ್ವಾಹಕರು, ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪಿಗಳು, ಐಟಿ ನಾಯಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರಾಹಕ ನಾವೀನ್ಯಕಾರರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಭಾರತದ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಬ್ಲೇಜರ್ ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುವ ಟಿಡಿಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ 2ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿತು. ಈ ಸಮುದಾಯವು ಈಗ ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ 3.9 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸದಸ್ಯರನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು 18,000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಬ್ಲೇಜರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕ ಕಲಿಕೆ, ನಾವೀನ್ಯತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮುದಾಯ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸಿತು.
So that's something I just wanted to mention. And having said that, we have realized that, it's very important for us to ensure that business truly is taken as a platform for change. And that while we are doing well, we also should be doing good, meaning we should be contributing to the community, and therefore we are very proud to be known as one of the most innovative, most philanthropic and most ethical companies in the world. Regarding the numbers that we are doing, we delivered almost $37 billion of top line revenue globally, and today we are planning at around 40.99 billion globally for this financial year, which ends in January of 27. Having said that, what is it that this conference is all about? This conference is basically a conference for developers. And as you know, India has one of the largest pool of developers in the world today. One of the reasons why you have seen so many GCCs relocate to India is because of the depth of talent that is available over here.
Super easy for you to try, so please, when you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, go try it out. With that, the way I wanted to talk about, I think we've gone through a lot of technological changes over the last 20-30 years. Started off way back in the 90s with the internet, and then the cloud, social sort of wave, smartphone. But as each one of these things compounded, Salesforce has been there from the start, right? And because each one of these inflection points, if we may, creates a lot of new opportunities. Imagine what the cloud did. Imagine what the internet did. I think agents, right now, we are at the start of that immense opportunity, because this is the first thing which is going to help and augment human layer. It's not just about a different way of accessing the data or a different place to kind of store your servers. This is truly going to change because it can reason, it can think, it can act. So it's going to be far, far more profound than every other revolution we've seen ahead of this.
Today is there is a heightened level of conversation that we have with customers who want to invest, but more importantly, they also want to understand what is the value that they want to get from the investments that they make, right? And so this is just sample examples across a whole wide variety of what I would call classical customer engagement touch points, whether it be support, whether it be anything to do with revenue, marketing, and so on and so forth. You'll see these are some of the kind of outcomes that our customers have seen on various platforms of Salesforce. One of the best things about the last 4 years is we've seen a massive drive for customers who are looking to transform their engagement experience with their customers, and it's happening across industries. Honestly, I've never seen a period where we've seen such broad-based demand. Even the most, I would say, conservative or vertical, take manufacturing for example, always considered a laggard. Construction and materials, like they've never ever invested in technology that's leading edge, if you will, right? They're typically between 5 and 7 years behind the curve. We have manufacturing organizations, construction, building materials organizations who are trying to transform themselves at a rapid pace.
I'm Rतदल. I'm Managing Director of Salesforce India Operations as well as the R&D organization. And this particular conference is called TDX. It's all about the developer ecosystem in India. We have a very large developer ecosystem. The developers are part of what's called the Trailblazer community. And Trailblazer community is a worldwide community. India has one of the largest presence of Trailblazers in the world, with upwards of 3.9 million people being part of the community, and the communities are spread across India. And these Trailblazers come together to learn about Salesforce technologies, to talk about where are the opportunities. Some of them join together to set up companies, others help each other. So it's a very vibrant community, and this particular conference is all about our approach to agentic AI. Agentic AI, as you know, is the big buzzword that's going around everywhere. We are, of course, the leaders in this, where we have an area of technology called Agentforce, and Agentforce enables our customers to be able to customize and deploy and build agents for wherever they need within their enterprise. Most customers have a lot of enterprise applications within their company, and each of these enterprise applications has data. So being able to put all the data together is one of the key features we have through a product called Data Cloud, and this brings unified access to all the data, which allows you to have a unified view of the customer. And on top of that, all of our products that we have that are part of our customer, what we call the customer 360 degrees suite, they leverage the Data Cloud and are able to provide very robust information to whoever the consumer is. And on top of these applications are the agents. So the agents work on top of the applications, leveraging the data from throughout the company. So they are intelligent, they are able to make decisions, they can converse in natural language, and are able to essentially create the digital workforce of tomorrow. So that's the whole concept behind the agentic approach that we have. I hope that helps.